flies smoothly than this part. I don't know. We are stuck. This is the plant a stranger sold to me on the side of the road. Some call it the magic plant or the miracle leaf. The first time I heard of this plant was from my mom. Follow me. I'll be testing out this plant on the half side of my face for 4 continuous days to see if it will actually work. We are stuck. Good morning, investigators. Today's case is there really a leaf? Is there really a leaf that can make skin glow? Let's gather the evidence. Tu connais fait de vie, fait de c'est plante, c'est je vais montrer avec votre c'est pas ici mal de pied, c'est comment je vais là. Ah, vous avez ici. Mon ami, viens sur. Oui, c'est ça.
Attention là, la manger, voilà manger, arachide là.
Arachide.
Préparer les arachides, l'alimentation là. Voilà. Non, c'est rien fait là. Voilà, une arachide là.
D'accord. Je vais. Plant. Do you know this plant?
No, je ne connais pas ça.
Tu connais pas? Whether it will transform my skin in any way.
So we find a way of rubbing it, mashing it, so that it becomes soft. And we find a way of cleansing the water. And that's what will use to smell on your body.
Okay.
For some time.
Looking at the leaves, I know what plant. I think it's called the plant of life.
Really?
Yeah, the leaf of life.
Oh.
Yes, yes. And the little I know about this leaf is that it possesses a lot of healing qualities.
Really?
Yeah, not just even that, it can even be used to solve spiritual problems.
Ah,
Yeah. That's why they call
really?
it the plant of life.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
But the only thing is that I have not actually, I have to do more research on how it works and some of the things that it can be used.
So I have the washed up leaves here. I'm so excited to try this out. So like there are there are so many ways that I learned that this can be prepared, but the easiest one was to just blend it or like crush it in your palm. But when I crushed it earlier on, like I couldn't get the juice, so I am going to grind it. I have two options. This one, the small mortar, or the F word pot, Edding pot.
Earthenware.
Edding.
I don't know.
Okay, Eddingware. She said, Howard said
No, I didn't
Eddingware.
say that.
Eddingware. So I'm gonna crush it. Off my face, the right side. 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
For right, for left.
I forgot this. I was supposed to be the left. Ah.
Why are they looking at me?
Howard,
Hi.
what do you think? Did the magic work?
I look think it's violet.
And what do you think? Like, be honest. Like, is there any difference?
So I think there is a difference.
There is a difference.
Yeah.
Tell me.
I think your right side it's brighter.
It is really. It's
I don't know
brighter.
whether the camera is deceiving me, but I think it's brighter.
Oh, okay. So look at me closer.
Yeah, it's brighter.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. For me, that is my face. I don't really know. Please look in write in the comment section below if you feel there is any changes. I don't know whether I have been transformed by the magic leaf. Did the magic happen? Okay, so let me apply this serum again. Let me see.
You're applying the serum, so you have to go upwards.
Yes, ma'am. So please leave your comment below if the magic plants work, and also I would love for you to try it. You can send me your video in the comment section if you tried the magic leaf and if I have been transformed into a 16-year-old. Now that I've applied the serum, what do you think? This is is what surprised me. It wasn't about finding the leaf or the plant. It was the 2 days of struggling just to find the plant. And then the plant seller, what name was the leaf? Right? I forgot the name that he mentioned, like the name of the plant in Mori. I forgot. But did I really understand him? It was so interesting of him mixing the broken French and the Mori. Some of the words I understood, others I didn't really understand. Like it was really interesting. Kelashwe pineta is a scientific name, and it's not just a random trend online, and that has been used for centuries in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean for healing wounds. My sister said she could see that like the right side of my face is much brighter than the left side. Yeah. So sometimes the people closer to us can see the changes in us before we can see it in ourselves. Project We Rebuild, case number 3, one question, follow the evidence.